Welcome you all. It's the next question in the series of power system, and so far we have seen that the three to four questions, that is what is power system, and we have explained in detail about what we mean by power system. Then we have seen the next question, it is bulk amount of power is generated in AC and not in DC, and we have seen the answer too. So these two questions, now we know that we know the answer. So the next question is, for bulk amount of power generation, why three-phase is used rather than single phase? So we know that for bulk amount of power generation, we use AC. We have seen the limitations. And for AC, we know that we have three-phase as well as single phase. So why three-phase is used rather than single phase? So let's see what's the reason behind it. One of the major reasons why we use three-phase is basically three-phase is more economical as compared to the single phase. Why? Because area of cross-section for single phase as well as three-phase, we've seen that for single phase it is 2 by V square by cos square phi into K, where V square is the voltage, cos phi is a power factor, and K is a constant. So for the same amount of power transferred, for the same amount of voltage, keeping the power factor constant, we know that here comes a factor of 2, here comes a factor of 0.5. So which is lesser? Obviously the area of cross section for three phase will be lesser, it comes a 0.5. So smaller the area of cross section, we of course you know that the smaller will be the area of cross section of the conductor, okay? Hence the cost is minimum. So one of the major reason is a more economical using three phase as compared to the single phase. Another is that for same size of conductor as that of the single phase, power handling capacity of three phase is higher. So we know that if we use the same size of the conductor, obviously from certain calculations, which is a bit long derivation, which is not at all necessary to study about the derivation, how you are getting this, but you just remember that for same amount of or for the same size of the conductor as that of a single phase, so power handling capacity of three phase is higher. So for these two reasons mainly, there are certain other reasons, but majority considerations given to three reasons. One is the cost from the cost point of view, and other is from the power generations. For these two reasons, we have seen that for three-phase bulk amount of power generation, it is more economical to carry out power generation in three-phase than power generation in single phase. So I hope you are clear about this lecture. Thank you.